First way of fighting is roll over and fight from your back.
I think you're losing.
He does that with Bo, too. And Greta. Every time he fights with him, he rolls on his back. Every time.
Bring it on.
He's like, that's not fair. You keep getting my collar. You got him, Mom.
That's called that would be a face mask in football.
Look at his tail. Watch his tail when he sits down. It just sits there swinging.
Time. Okay. Period up. Okay.
You're going to surrender.
It's kind of like the Blind Side, where he goes to tackle that guy and he just falls over. Have you seen it? Oh, you guys need to see Blind Side. Even I've seen Blind Side.
We were thinking about watching it tonight.
It's very good.
Do you see that?
Yeah, it's very good.
He gets his paws around his neck and then goes for his throat.
I don't want him to kill him.
See?
I love that. I love that.
Just like they do on the,
Well, it's like, get me up here.
It's like watching the Animal Planet in small scale.
and Clark.
See, we just...
I think Clark is my favorite to watch. He's just like, give me that, give me that. Oh, that felt good.
This is what he needs.
Clark, yeah. Yeah, Clarky.
He'd stop messing with your flowers if you had Clark to play with.
Don't do it.
Good. Hold it there. Hold it there.
Watch.
Clarky, where's your ball? Where's your ball, Clarky?
We're all going to be the next Michael Vicks.
Like a lion in a cage, pacing back and forth.
Are they done?
Our has nothing to do with that.